Hey guys, Dr. Bill Shoy here with New Tampa Chiropractic and Injury Center. Hope you're having an awesome day. These are some things that I want you to know about in case if you've been involved in an accident that are very important for your health. And some things that we typically see in the office, and hopefully you're not experiencing these, are things like whiplash type injury. We see whiplash injury a lot with people that have been involved in rear end collisions where their head goes forward and backwards rapidly. And that creates an abnormal stress on those muscles in the neck, which allows the muscles to shift the vertebrae out of alignment. That creates inflammation and pain. We call that whiplash. And a lot of times that whiplash symptom of neck pain or pain that goes up the back of your head or pain across your shoulders, you may not see that for a couple days because of adrenaline. Whenever we have some kind of a stressful situation, your adrenaline can kick in, and adrenaline can mask those symptoms that may occur after you've been involved in an accident. So things to look out for with that are things like neck pain that comes down through here into your shoulders, upper trap area, and the back of your head. A second thing that we typically see with car accident cases is a bulging disc or disc herniation. And a disc acts like a shock absorber in between those vertebrae. It protects the bones from rubbing together. And as long as the vertebrae are moving the way they're supposed to and in a proper alignment, there's no pressure on the disc. Well, with a car accident, those vertebrae can shift abnormally. That creates abnormal pressure within the disc that can make the disc actually swell up, which creates a bulging disc. Or if the swelling gets too much, it can actually tear the outer ring of the disc, causing a herniation. The problem with this is that it will put a pressure up against the spinal cord or against the spinal nerves. And some symptoms that we see with that is in the neck is neck pain, pain across your shoulders, numbness and tingling in your hands, also motor weakness, muscle strength weakness. You won't be able to grasp things or lift things the way you did prior to an accident. So, if you're experiencing those symptoms, you need to get it checked out. And then one of the other things that we typically see with a car accident is concussion. A lot of people relate concussion with things like football or soccer, or like, you had your head hit. Your head doesn't have to strike anything to have a concussion. So when you get into a car accident, if you're hit from the rear, the front end, or from the side, your head is either going to go side to side or forward and backwards rapidly. And besides the whiplash that you can go through, like we talked about earlier, your head also whips around, which makes the brain go forward and back abnormally. And the problem with this is that the brain will actually hit the walls of the skull, creating that concussion in the brain or that trauma to the brain. Symptoms that are typically involved with this are massive headaches. We'll see neck pain. We'll see visual disturbances, nausea, sometimes ringing in the ears, sensitive to bright lights. Cognitive skills slow down quite a bit when you have a concussion. So it is imperative that you get checked out if you've been involved in an auto accident and if you're experiencing any of these symptoms that we talk about above. Get checked out by a chiropractor, by a doctor, by someone. Just go get checked out to make sure that you're not having any of these lingering effects that can last for a long time after a car accident. So hopefully, these tips will help you out in the future to help avoid that long-lasting effect of a car accident injury. And if you're having any of these symptoms and need to get checked out, we'll gladly look at you. We're in New Tampa, west of Chapel, Florida, the New Tampa Chiropractic and Injury Center. My name is Dr. Bill Shoy, and I hope this helped you out. Make sure y'all be well and be safe out there.